Here comes the rain.
Come on, man. Yeah, you can't upgrade your armor, which is weird. Somebody throwing fire at me? I believe parts of it are. Some of them are better for certain bosses and stuff. Like some have more poison resistance. Now did you... Whoa, stop throwing fire at me. Did you end up beating the other boss that I was fighting before? I could lead you to it. Actually, hold on. Whoa. Technically, yeah, I should be able to. Can you dodge properly? Thank you. I'm trying to get away from this chick with the hammer, and I keep dodging like 2 feet from her. So she has like perfect swinging range. And yeah, I'm pretty sure I can join your world, considering I've got about 17,000 to spend. Oh, look who it is. It's our old friend, Hunchback. You're in an area where you can't back him in. I need to actually come to the area you're at. Where are you right now? Yep. Yep. Yeah, there. Close by device. Yeah, you gotta stay at the church. I'll be, buddy. What's that? Oh. Yep. And dodging. Whoa. Good throw. Oh wow, 4 with 1 hit. Anybody else?
Don't you hate when they actually crawl on the ground at you and they do that and jump at you and they make that stupid noise?
Yep.
Out of all the enemies that I've seen, I hate them more than anything.
that. Brother left his phone in here.
It's all good. Okay, I'm leaving the cathedral.
Why am I here? I shouldn't have gone down. No, I'm just not gonna go. Oh no, that's that way. Okay, now I know what that is. Okay, I'm heading toward this thing. I will be near where you are soon.
Oh god. Yikes.
Well, what is it? Very well, let me.
Okay, what can I get with that? I can get 2? Oh, sweet. Firm. Level 43 now.
Farewell, good hunter. May you find your worth in the waking.
Alright, so... Give me a sec here. What was I doing? Equipping this bell. Alright, so I will meet you at the Grand Cathedral. You should be able to ring it on the steps. Like, as soon as you hit the stairs going down, you should be, before you go out the door, you should be able to ring it.
Right, like that's what I was trying to do.
It's weird.
Try to ring it again.
Searching for a chime of beckoning bell. Oh, I'm searching for you.
I'm gonna ring my small resonant bell, see if I can find it.
No, I rang that. You have to ring the other one.
I'm looking for the beckoning bell.
Yeah, no, you have to ring the beckoning bell. I rang the... Yes. No, I mean...
I thought you were ringing the beckoning bell.
No, because you wanted me to go to your world. I'm going to your world. Because I already wasted an insight.
Let me try this one.
Searching for that beckoning bell.
My beckoning bell that I use is still grayed out, so it won't let me.
Oh, alright, find an area where it will let you.
Check these out! Dog